I'm going to give a lesson on introducing the snake game with combinations of 10. This really gets us towards mental math. The colored beads indicate certain numbers. The goal is for the child to be able to look at that bead, know the number in their head without counting each bead out. And then pretty soon they'll be able to combine the colors and add easier that way and count easier that way. And this is just an introduction to really continue hammering in those colors and what numbers those colors represent. And now also getting them to acknowledge, understand, and memorize their combinations of 10, which again just makes their future math that much easier. Okay, so here is a lesson on beginning the snake game to practice combinations of 10. Okay. We are going to make a colored snake using the short bead stair color math beads. And our goal is to turn our colored snake into a beautiful golden snake. I'm going to set this one up here. Just do a small one to start with. Okay. Here's our colored snake. And we know we've practiced with our golden bead material that every time we count to 10 units, we exchange those 10 units for a 10 bar, right? So we're going to do the same thing with our snake. Each time we count to 10, we're going to exchange those colored beads for one of our 10 bars, and we're going to turn this snake golden. You can also see how much easier it's going to be able to count how long our snake is once we turn it golden, okay? So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. 10, 20, 30. Our snake that we turned from colors to gold had 30 beads in it. But let's double check that. Let's make sure we did that right. I'm going to take the beads that we used and put them back out here. I'm going to put them out from our smallest bead to our biggest ones. 2, 3. So we're going to check it, make sure we did it correctly. And if we did it correctly, we should be able to turn this golden snake back into the colored snake, okay? So I'm going to take my 8, my biggest one I have here. 8 plus what equals 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, put that back. Let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 and 3 equal 10. Put that 10 back. 6 and 4 equals 10. Put my 10 back. So I'll check worked out right. We have no beads left. We were able to turn it back to a colored bead, excuse me, a colored snake. But when I originally wondered how many beads were in the colored snake, it was much easier to count when it was a golden snake, right? If I had to count this individually, it'll take a lot longer. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Or we can count it by grouping our tens. 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30. Much faster to count by our tens than by our units. We'll try one more here, a little bit of a bigger one. Start with green this time. Many colors. Really pretty here. Let's see, I think we need some dark blue. And we'll give our snake a red head up here. Okay, now I wonder how many beads are in my colored snake this time. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We have turned our perfect colored snake into a perfect golden snake. And how many beads are on our golden snake? 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Our colored snake had 50 beads on it. We should always double check our work. Everybody makes mistakes. Definitely Teacher Jessica makes mistakes, so let's make sure we did this correctly by getting our colored beads back out and changing it back into our color snake. I'm going to start with my smallest beads first. See, 9 plus 1, we know that equals 10. We'll check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. 9 and 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I hope you learned today or started to learn why knowing our combinations of 10 is really helpful. And it's going to be really helpful for harder math that we're going to get into. So have fun practicing. You have these kind of worksheets in your work file. I found the best way to do them is to circle every time you find a combination of 10. So I circled my yellow and purple is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Dark blue and red is 10. Pink and white. So you'll find these sheets in your work file and go ahead and count. And every time you come to 10, you circle those combinations. And pretty soon, you're going to know them real quick. Thanks for watching.